Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in New York City. I am here for Fashion Week. We literally just landed and I am on my way to see Colleen and Todrick Hall in the musical The Waitress. And I am so excited. I have seen it so many times, but I really have not gotten the chance to see them starring in it. So tonight I'll be doing that. But we just landed, just checked in, and I'm gonna put on a quick, cute face. This is a very natural, beautiful, easy, fresh makeup look I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. All right, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and start with my Fenty Beauty Primer. This is the True Matte. Guys, when I tell you we do not have a lot of time and we are all the way staying in downtown and we got to go all the way up. Traffic is hard. I do love this primer. I have been loving it so much. And when I'm in a rush, I prioritize mainly the longevity of my makeup rather than the color correction because I go for a foundation that is really beautiful and full coverage for me. Cute. Now for my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take this Born This Way foundation in the color Praline. This is literally matched to my skin tone. I tend to go a little bit darker on my foundation when I'm doing full glam, but this one I absolutely love, and this is such a beautiful finish on the skin. I like to take it on a huge brush. This is the Morphe G0. It's a really large brush, and it just gets the job done faster. So I'll go ahead and I'll just pounce this all over my face. You can see how fast I'm applying it all over the skin. It's just funny now that I'm older and I have worn makeup for I feel like which is so long, I have a better understanding of what works for my skin on a full glam day and what works on more of these like simple glam days. This makeup, the goal for me is to make me look fresh and awake, and I've been getting lots of compliments like, oh my god, you're so pretty, or oh my god, your skin looks so good, and I'm like, really? Because I feel busted. This was like a quick 1-2 step kind of makeup. But yeah, it's really easy, and I do this for my meetings when I'm on the go. This is easy for school, for work, but you know, it's more about efficiency when it comes to this makeup and time, because ain't nobody got time for all that sometimes. And I love how this makeup looks with the primer. Like, this foundation really stays on my face for so long. And for this, I like to take it all the way back and a little bit down my neck. Back on your neck and all the way down under your chin. I'm just gonna add a little bit more foundation right on my cheeks right here, just because I do have large pores and hyperpigmentation there. And what I love about this foundation is that it's super buildable. All right, so for concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 340. This is like Rihanna shade, and I like to take this really quick under the eyes right here, super fast, and just blends it out with the Beauty Blender. I am so excited to see Colleen. She is on Broadway. I remember when I did my video with her on my channel. It was so long ago. It's right when I moved to LA. And when she agreed to have me do her makeup, it was so cool. She's such a talented and amazing individual. And Todrick too, he's just so talented. And I'm so happy to see like YouTubers be acknowledged in like the Broadway world. And if you guys don't know, I love Broadway. Me and Peter, we love Broadway musicals. The first Broadway musical that I saw was on my senior trip when I was a senior, and we saw Wicked, and oh my god, I think it changed like all our lives because Peter and Paul didn't see it, and I remember I was like, this musical is amazing, and I explained it to them, and we're like such Broadway babies. If you're a Broadway baby out there, comment down below, comment on your favorite musical and who you would love to play in a Broadway. Obviously me, Elphaba, because I'm that beach. If you guys are new to my channel, I used to be a piano accompanist too when Peter was in musicals and stuff. So once I get these nails off, I'll have to play piano for you guys. This just looks so fresh and awake and easy. So next for powder, I'm going to go ahead and take my Airspun. And the one that I have been using for years is Translucent Extra Coverage. So good. This is great for stage too if you're on Broadway or happen to be in the theater or drag queen. Just gonna go ahead and take that on my Beauty Blender and just lightly set under the eyes. Not too crazy. I like to do the under eyes first, and then where I'm the most sweaty, because sometimes when you run around the city, it's not cute. So mainly with the loose powder, to get that most natural look, I will do the center of my face, like down here, under the eyes, the upper lip, around the nostrils is a big deal for me, and that's pretty much it. We is running out of time. All right, now for my face, Okay, so this next product is so expensive, but it's so worth the buy. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder. I have gone through so many of these. This just makes your skin look so airbrushed. And I'm just gonna set this around my face. And it comes in 3 shades. It doesn't have a lot of coverage. This is literally for just texture. If you want that airbrush, literally, like in the name, it's literally a filter. I sound like Charlotte Tilbury. It's literally a filter in the compact. And the brush that I'm using with this is my E1. This is just so micronized. There's rose wax, almond wax in it. And it really, really is amazing. Oops, you see it's a little bit dark. I got some on my face. I'll just erase this right here. So I like to take 3 like on the outside of my face, and I'll take number 2, which is a little bit lighter, and just apply this like under my eyes. You know what is so weird? When I'm doing my quick face, I normally do my blush before I do my bronzer. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and take my Mariah Carey Sweet Sweet Fantasy blush. I'm going to just blush my cheeks really, really quick. See, I put it on really strong, and then I'll brush it up after. And then next, I'm going to contour my nose. These kinds of brushes right here, I am obsessed with for my nose. One is by Luxie Lush, and the other is by Iconic London. They're both like the same kind of shape to me. I like to go ahead into my Give Me Life bronzer. This one is limited edition. The other one that I do love is my Milani Silky Matte bronzer. Either one of those would work for my skin tone. I like to take that and just contour my nose, just because I have a flat face. I'll go ahead and I'll do this really quick and bring it up to the brow. I just realized, can you believe that when you're on Broadway, you gotta do your own makeup? I've been watching some behind the scenes Broadway videos, and there's one of the leading lady in Frozen, and she does her legit own makeup, and I am shook. But you know, that's the life. That is the stage life. So if I have time, guys, if I have time, I will do lashes. And thank God today I have time. I've always packed my reusable lashes in like a lash box like this. These lashes are by Kiss. I love these Kiss lashes. They're a little bit longer than the Ardell ones, which is why I love them so much. When I tell you back in the day that I use these lashes as bottom lashes, I know, you guys probably don't believe me, but believe me, I use these lashes as my bottom lashes. See, if you want to be out the door, go ahead and put your glue on first, and it'll get tacky. So I put a lot of glue on, make sure they get tacky, and then I'll do some other parts of my makeup while they get tacky. And the glue that I like to use is Duo. And you know, to some of you out there, this may look like a lot of makeup that I have on my face, but when I tell you my oils from my skin come through and it starts to look, you know, a little bit more alive, that's when the makeup really comes to life. Curling your lashes is a must. Don't forget to curl your lashes. Y'all are like, where's the eyeshadow? Girl, ain't nobody got time for eyeshadow. What I'll probably most likely do is just take a fluffy brush and just take that bronzer and just run it through the eye. That's all the time that I have right now, but you know what? It's so effective. And I am lucky enough to have full brows, so I really don't go in on my brows. For those of you out there, I understand you gotta get your brows on, but for me, it's mainly like my skin, because that's my #1 concern. Comment down below, what is your main priority when it comes to getting your makeup done? Mine is my skin. So next, I'm just taking this roller liner by Benefit, and I'm creating the thinnest line along the lashes. And this is in the color brown. My favorite liner to use on a natural day. And I'm impressed that I'm talking while I'm doing this. 5 minutes. Peter hates being late to shows, you guys. Me and Mama Starrr are always the ones that, growing up, were always late. So next, for my mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply it before I put on the lashes. This is my MAC Extended Play Perm Me Up. And I'm going to go ahead and just coat this. See, I don't need false lashes. I could be out the door just like this. But since we're going to see some friends on Broadway, I thought I would do a little something and put on a little lash. Okay. Now the glue should be tacky. I'm just going to take these. Oh my gosh, do you guys see the lashes? I feel like I look like Minnie Mouse every freaking time I do this. I'm going to go ahead and take this Gimme Brow. It's just a tinted brow gel in the color number 6. It's the darkest shade by Benefit, unless they've expanded since this video. Because sometimes a little bit of foundation gets on my brows and powder. So this is all I feel like I need. And now last but not least, lips. Right now for my lips, I like to take a natural lip color. I'm going to go ahead and take, what is this one called? It's called Ultimate Diva from my fall matte collection, which is the 1-year anniversary of my music video, Don't. If you guys haven't seen it, I did a music video for my 4th matte collection. Memories. Gonna apply some of that with this lipstick from Milani called I Am Awesome, just to give it dimension. So pretty. Guys, are not even lip lining. And this gloss, which is Luminoso from Milani. It's like the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Gloss. Do you guys see that? And if I have time, which I kind of sort of do because Peter is eating behind the camera, I like to take... Do I have time? Do I have time today? Oh my God, see, when you travel, shit like this be breaking. I'm so upset. Good thing I have backups. Tragedy. Instead of that highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Bronzed Amber by Becca. This is only sold at Ulta. I just found that out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and add a little bit of glow to the face, especially on the forehead, just to give makeup that life. It's such like a lightweight, shiny product. It gives you that glow from within. See, I'm just stalling now and adding a little bit of shadow to my double chin. Last but not least, I just bought me a new Fix Plus. Look at this packaging. Do you guys like it? The new typography and graphics. Really cute. Gonna go ahead and spray. All right, everyone, this is my natural beat for the Broadway here in New York City. I'm here for Fashion Week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This beat is so cute. It's a little bit more elevated than the natural everyday beat because of the lashes and a little bit of the cake, but it's something that I love to wear on my more natural, neutral days. It's something that's really fresh and fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please recreate this look. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next. Tag me on social media if you recreate this look. I love you all so much, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into